Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high curly bun hairstyle for medium to long hair. To start, divide off the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Divide that remaining hair in half straight down the back, and then we're just going to make two very high ponytails on top of the head. I'm going to take tiny sections of those ponytails and curl them with a small curling iron. Hold them for 5 to 10 seconds and then release the curl. And then I'm going to take the section next to it and again just curl it as tightly as I can from root to tip. And we're basically just going to keep taking pieces of both ponytails until everything is curled. So it should end up with a lot of bouncy curls. Next, I've cut up a bun donut and I'm just going to make it into like a scrunchy shape. I'm going to hook it over one of the ponytails, twist it once and then wrap it around the other ponytail. Then just secure this padding to the head with a few bobby pins at the back, front and sides. To get rid of that part line, use your comb and gently comb it up towards the bun a couple of times and secure with a pin. I'm going to take each individual curl and I'm going to separate each one into 4 or 5 sections. And we're going to do this with every single hair that we've curled. So this will just increase the amount of curls we've got. Make sure that you hairspray these in between each curl just to stop them rejoining into one big curl again. And we're going to do this for all the curls on both ponytails. So keep separating those curls into individual little sections and spray with hairspray. Now we're simply going to start pinning to the front and back of the paddings. So bring a cluster of curls forward. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then just secure them with a couple of bobby pins. Make sure that you cover all the padding. Leave some ends tumbling out. And with the curls at the back, just push them up towards the padding and secure with a bobby pin. I like to leave the ends hanging down. Secure everything with some Stronghold hairspray. And we're going to release those front sections down on both sides. And we're going to use our little curling tong and I'm just going to curl everything away from the face in small sections, going back towards that bun. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And we're going to curl the hair on both sides of the head. And then again, we're just going to separate each of those curls into smaller curls and start bringing them straight back and pin them into that padding. Once you reach the side, then we're just going to leave a few bits out to frame the face. And again, just taking smaller curls, bringing them to the side of that padding and securing with a pin. And do this until you run out of hair. And then simply repeat on the opposite side of the head. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.